Microsoft Teams is a comprehensive collaboration platform developed by Microsoft, designed to streamline communication and teamwork within organizations of all sizes. At its core, Teams serves as a centralized hub where individuals and groups can engage in real-time conversations, share files, conduct meetings, and manage projects, all within a single, unified interface. This integration of tools and services makes Microsoft Teams a powerful solution for modern workplaces, especially those embracing hybrid or remote work models. Launched in 2017 as part of the Office 365 suite, now Microsoft 365, Teams quickly gained traction due to its seamless integration with other Microsoft products such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, and Outlook. This allows users to co-author documents, schedule meetings, and access shared resources without leaving the Teams environment, enhancing productivity and minimizing workflow disruptions. One of the most prominent features is chat functionality, which includes one-on-one conversations, group chats, and channel-based discussions. Channels are organized spaces focusing on specific topics, projects, or departments. They host threaded conversations, making it easier to follow discussions and maintain context, supporting both synchronous and asynchronous communication. Teams also offers robust video conferencing with features like screen sharing, live captions, background blur, and breakout rooms, valuable for remote teams to enable face-to-face interaction and collaboration regardless of location. Meetings can be recorded and transcribed, providing reference material for those unable to attend. File sharing and collaboration are central to Teams, allowing users to upload, edit, and track documents in real time, stored in SharePoint or OneDrive. Extensibility is key, with support for third-party apps such as Trello, Asana, Zendesk, Poly, and Forms, and the ability to build custom apps and bots. Security and compliance are prioritized, with data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and compliance with standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO/AC 27001. Administrative controls allow IT departments to manage user access, configure policies, and monitor usage. Accessibility is ensured with support across Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and web browsers, and features like screen reader support in high-contrast modes. In education, Teams serves as a vital tool for remote and hybrid learning, integrating with tools like OneNote Class Notebook and Microsoft Forms. The pandemic accelerated adoption, and Teams has continued to evolve with features like Together Mode and Viva Insights. Ultimately, Microsoft Teams is more than a communication tool. It is a digital workspace fostering collaboration, transparency, and agility. Its flexibility, scalability, and robust features make it indispensable for enterprises, educational institutions, and nonprofits. As work evolves, Teams stands as a cornerstone of digital transformation, helping teams stay connected, aligned, and productive, no matter where they are. To begin using Microsoft Teams, the first step is to sign in with your organizational email address, typically provided by your employer, school, or institution. This grants access to the Teams environment associated with your organization. Once authenticated, you enter the Teams interface, designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for newcomers to digital collaboration. The vertical navigation bar on the left is the primary control panel, providing access to chat, Teams, calendar, calls, files, and more, depending on your organization's configuration and permissions. Each icon opens a different section, allowing seamless movement between conversations, meetings, documents, and events. The chat section enables private or group conversations, with features like file sharing, emoji reactions, and the ability to start video or audio calls. The Teams section is for structured collaboration, with channels organized by topic, project, or department, each containing threaded conversations, files, and integrated app tabs. The Calendar tab integrates with Outlook, displaying scheduled meetings and allowing direct joining. The Files tab offers access to all documents worked on or shared within Teams, stored in SharePoint or OneDrive, and can be edited within Teams. For new users, the Help section at the bottom of the navigation bar offers tutorials, FAQs, and support articles, ensuring even those unfamiliar with collaboration tools can quickly become proficient. The Explore menu highlights key features, suggests actions, and introduces best practices. Teams adapts to your workflow, showing recent chats in Teams at the top, intelligently managing notifications, and allowing customization of alerts. Presence indicators like available, busy, do not disturb, and away show your availability, helping colleagues know when to reach out. Joining meetings is straightforward, with one-click access from calendar, chat, or email. Tools like screen sharing, background effects, live captions, and meeting chat enhance engagement. The Teams mobile app, available for iOS and Android, provides a similar experience, ensuring productivity anywhere. Teams integrates with Microsoft 365 apps for embedding documents and adding tabs for tools like Planner, OneNote, and Forms. Security and compliance are built in, with IT administrators managing access and encryption protecting data. In summary, signing in and getting started with Teams is smooth and guided, with navigation, help, and explore features supporting users as they chat, meet, and collaborate, enhancing communication and productivity. In Microsoft Teams, the concepts of teams and channels form the foundation for organizing collaboration. A team is a digital workspace created for a specific purpose, such as a department, project, or initiative, where members share a common goal and can communicate, collaborate, and manage work efficiently. When a new team is created, it acts as a container for collaborative elements, and channels are established within it to organize conversations and content by topic. This hierarchy keeps discussions focused and relevant, preventing communication from becoming jumbled. For example, a product development team might have separate channels for design, engineering, testing, and launch planning, each serving as a dedicated space for related messages, files, and tools. Channels can be standard, visible to all team members for general discussions and shared resources, or private, restricted to a subset for sensitive topics. Each channel interface includes tabs for posts, files, and integrated apps. Posts are threaded discussions, grouping replies for easier context, while files store shared documents for collaboration. Custom tabs can be added for tools like OneNote, Planner, Power BI, or third-party apps, transforming channels into tailored workspaces. Centralizing communication and resources in teams and channels improves efficiency, transparency, and accountability. Meetings can be initiated directly from channels, storing recordings and notes within the channel for easy access. Important channels can be pinned for quick access, and notifications can be customized to avoid overload. The app-mentioned feature tags individuals, groups, or teams to prompt timely responses. Teams and channels support lifecycle management, with options to archive, rename, or restructure as needs evolve. In education, teams and channels create virtual classrooms, organizing content by unit or topic and supporting engagement and consistency. Administrators can manage policies for team creation, data retention, and app integration to maintain security and compliance. In summary, teams and channels are the backbone of Microsoft Teams, providing structured spaces for communication and content that enable effective, cohesive, and scalable collaboration for organizations. In Microsoft Teams, chat and conversation features are central to real-time communication and collaboration. These tools replicate and enhance workplace interactions, providing a digital space for exchanging ideas, updates, and coordinating tasks. You can start private or group chats, tailoring communication to context, whether it's a one-on-one exchange or a group discussion. Chats are persistent threads, saving all messages for future reference, which is useful for tracking decisions or catching up on missed conversations. Teams chat keeps conversations organized, with threading in group chats to maintain context, especially when multiple topics are discussed. Expressiveness is supported through emojis, GIFs, and stickers, adding a personal touch and making communication more engaging. Productivity is boosted by attaching files directly in chats, with files stored in chat history for easy access and collaborative editing using Microsoft 365 apps, all within Teams. Mentioning users with that draws attention and prompts quick responses, with options to tag individuals, groups, or teams. Rich formatting allows for structured messages, including bold text, bullet points, hyperlinks, and code snippets, enhancing clarity and readability. Teams includes powerful search to find messages, files, or people across conversations, presenting results in context. Chat integrates with meetings and files, allowing seamless transitions between collaboration modes. Notifications are customizable to balance information flow and focus, with options to mute chats or set Do Not Disturb. The mobile app offers full chat functionality, ensuring connectivity from anywhere. Security and privacy are integral, with encryption and organizational policies in place. Meeting chats support pre-dash, during dash, and post-meeting communication, with persistent history for catching up. Users can edit, delete, bookmark, or mark messages as unread for organization. In summary, chat and conversations in Teams provide a robust, user-friendly environment for a wide range of communication needs, supporting effective and engaging collaboration across distances and time zones. In Microsoft Teams, meetings and video calls are essential for real-time communication and collaboration, whether teams are co-located or distributed across time zones. Scheduling is simple via the integrated calendar synced with Outlook, allowing quick selection of date, time, participants, and meeting details. Once scheduled, meetings appear in all participants' calendars, with notifications and reminders. Joining is easy with a single click from calendar, chat, or email. During meetings, Teams provides tools like video and audio participation, screen sharing of desktops, windows, or applications, and collaborative features like chat for parallel communication. Meeting chat history is preserved for post-meeting reference. Meetings can be recorded with a click, capturing audio, video, screen shares, and chat, saved in Microsoft Stream or OneDrive for sharing and review. Live captions and transcription enhance accessibility and inclusivity, supporting those with hearing disabilities or those in noisy environments. Breakout rooms support smaller group discussions within larger meetings, useful for workshops or brainstorming. Organizers can control muting, presenting rights, admitting attendees, and ending meetings for all. Participants can virtually raise hand to speak, supporting structured discussions. External guests can be invited via email, joining through the web or app without a Microsoft account, enabling collaboration with clients or partners. Recurring meetings can be set for regular team check-ins, each with its own chat, files, and notes. Integration with other Microsoft 365 tools like OneNote for notes, Planner for tasks, and Outlook for follow-up enhances productivity. Meeting extensions and apps like polls, whiteboards, and Q&A modules increase interaction. The mobile app provides nearly all features, supporting meetings on the go. Security is ensured with encryption, organizational controls, and authenticated access. In conclusion, Teams meetings and video calls provide a comprehensive, user-friendly platform for virtual collaboration, supporting a wide range of needs and helping teams connect, communicate, and collaborate effectively in hybrid and remote work models. In Microsoft Teams, sharing files and collaborating on them is a core aspect of the platform. Uploading files into a chat or channel makes them instantly accessible, editable, and discussable by all relevant team members, regardless of location. Files can be attached from devices or cloud storage like OneDrive or SharePoint, and once uploaded, they become shared resources within Teams, eliminating the need for email threads or external platforms. Real-time co-authoring allows multiple users to edit documents simultaneously, with changes appearing instantly and everyone working on the latest version. Files are organized in the Files tab of each channel, stored in SharePoint, supporting version history, metadata, and permission controls. Security is ensured through encryption and organizational policies, with administrators controlling access and tracking file activity for compliance. Collaboration extends to commenting, tagging colleagues, and starting conversations linked to documents, keeping discussions focused. Teams integrates with third-party apps like Adobe Acrobat, Lucidchart, and Trello, enabling interaction with these services without leaving Teams. The mobile app supports file access and editing, with notifications for changes and comments. Version control preserves all edits, allowing users to view history, compare, or restore previous versions. External guests can collaborate on files with controlled permissions. Structured workflows are supported by organizing files by project, adding tabs for quick access, and integrating collaboration tools. In education, Teams enables students and teachers to share assignments, collaborate, and receive feedback within one environment. In summary, Teams provides a comprehensive, secure platform for sharing and collaborating on files, centralizing content and communication for greater productivity and transparency. Tabs and apps in Microsoft Teams transform the platform into a dynamic, customizable workspace. Tabs provide quick access to important tools, files, and services, while apps extend functionality to meet diverse team needs. At the top of each team or channel, tabs can be added for resources used frequently. By default, every channel includes posts for conversations and files for documents, but users can add tabs for apps, pin documents, or link external sites, centralizing collaboration. For example, adding a planner tab allows task management within Teams, while OneNote serves as a shared notebook for notes and brainstorming. Tabs can also pin critical files for quick access. Third-party apps like Trello, Asana, Zendesk, Evernote, and Smartsheet can be added, with hundreds of integrations available in the Teams App Store. Adding a tab is simple. Click the plus icon, browse apps, and configure as needed. Some apps appear in the navigation bar or as bots in chat, providing dashboards, reports, or automated assistance. Apps can send notifications into channels, such as GitHub updates or Power BI metrics. Administrators control available apps, permissions, and data access for security and compliance. Tabs and apps support agile work styles, adapting as projects and needs change. In education, tabs host assignments, materials, and interactive apps, supporting teaching and learning. For remote teams, tabs and apps recreate the structure of a physical office in digital form. In conclusion, customizing teams with tabs and apps streamlines operations, supports organization, and enables effective collaboration, making teams a flexible and indispensable digital hub. Notifications and the activity feed in Microsoft Teams are crucial for keeping users informed, organized, and responsive. The activity feed acts as a centralized dashboard, displaying all recent updates across teams, channels, chats, and meetings. Located in the left navigation bar, the feed lists events like mentions, replies, reactions, missed calls, meeting invites, and file changes in real time. Notifications are distinct from the feed, alerting you to specific actions that require attention, appearing as banners, pop-ups, or feed entries, triggered by mentions, task assignments, or meeting starts. Users can customize notification settings to control what types they receive and how, muting less relevant chats or channels to reduce distractions. Filters let you sort the activity feed by unread messages, mentions, replies, or missed calls, helping quickly catch up on important developments. Items can be marked as read or unread for organization and follow-up. Integration with other Teams features allows direct navigation from notifications to relevant content, such as opening a file or joining a conversation. Quiet hours and quiet days pause notifications during specified times, supporting work-life balance. Mobile notifications are optimized for on-the-go communication, with synced preferences across devices. Priority access and overrides ensure critical contacts can always trigger alerts. The feed integrates with apps and bots, extending updates to tasks or system changes. In education, notifications keep students and teachers informed about assignments and feedback. Security and compliance are ensured, with data encrypted and governed by organizational policies. In summary, Teams notifications and activity feed help manage communication, focus on priorities, and maintain productivity in any work environment. Settings and personalization options in Microsoft Teams give users control to tailor their workspace to their preferences and working style, enhancing comfort, usability, and efficiency. Access the Settings menu by clicking your profile picture and selecting Settings. Here you can upload a profile picture, update your display name, and add job information, helping colleagues recognize your role and fostering better communication. Notification settings can be fine-tuned to avoid overload, choosing which alerts to receive and setting quiet hours or days for uninterrupted time. The appearance can be changed with light, dark, or high-contrast themes, supporting visual preferences and accessibility. Privacy and security settings allow you to manage contacts, read receipts, and external access permissions, protecting your space. Language and regional settings ensure the interface and notifications align with your context, important for global teams. Accessibility options include screen reader support, text size adjustment, and keyboard shortcuts, supporting a range of abilities and working styles. Pinned items and favorites keep important chats, channels, or apps at the top for quick access, and you can reorder teams and channels for prioritization. Status can be set manually, with custom messages to communicate your availability. Custom backgrounds and video calls add a personal touch or maintain privacy. Personalization settings are synchronized across desktop, web, and mobile for consistency. In education, teachers and students can customize their environment for more effective learning and organization. In summary, team settings and personalization empower users to create a workspace that supports their productivity, reduces distractions, and fits their unique way of working. Productive teamwork in Microsoft Teams is achieved not just by using platform features, but by leveraging them to foster clarity, collaboration, and a positive team culture. Setting clear goals and communicating them openly is key, making objectives visible in shared tabs, posts, or meetings. Channels keep teamwork organized, each dedicated to a specific topic or function, ensuring focused discussions and efficient work. Open, respectful communication is supported by threaded conversations, clear and concise replies, and formatting tools for structured messages. Feedback should be constructive and recognition of achievements encouraged, boosting morale and positive behavior. Respecting colleagues' time is essential. Check status before reaching out, and keep messages purposeful. Meetings should have shared agendas, use collaborative tools during sessions, and document action items for follow-up, with integration to Planner or To-Do for tracking. File sharing and co-authoring enable real-time collaboration, with organized files and clear naming conventions. Strategic use of apps and tabs centralizes tools and data, streamlining workflows. Establishing norms and expectations, such as response times or communication guidelines, and documenting these in shared spaces ensures alignment. Encourage participation from all team members, using polls, rotating roles, and inclusive facilitation. Time management is supported by calendar integration, reminders, and task assignments, helping individuals stay organized. Transparency is fostered by public conversations and regular updates. Adaptability is crucial, with teams allowing flexible workflows and app integration as needs change. In summary, productive teamwork in teams is built on clear goals, organized communication, respect, feedback, and appropriate use of features, enabling teams to achieve objectives efficiently and adapt to new challenges.